I invented the ultimate McDonald's meal hack. This genius device changes everything. I call it the McDonald's Strap-On. I like eating my McDonald's fresh and warm, and sometimes on the go. Unfortunately, this can be quite messy and unpredictable. That's until now. McDonald's is feeding around 1% of the entire planet's population. So I had to put all my brain power into this. I left everything, didn't sleep for days, and finally I had it. This has been a long time in the making, so I'm super excited to share this design with you. Walk into McDonald's like a champion, walk out and enjoy your next meal worry-free. Not a fan of walking? This device can also sit comfortably while you consume them delicious chippies. I designed the first ever Domino's Pizza's ultimate vacuum-sealed slice saver. I like eating my pizza warm and fresh, but storing the leftovers in a box won't keep all the air molecules away from drying it out. That's why I created this, so you never have to throw away leftover slices or let them go bad again. I designed it so it will fit all the Domino's pizza slice sizes. Put your leftover slice inside like that and keep all the harmful air molecules away. This way, I don't squash it when vacuuming it to the max. And 24 hours later, just like new. This genius hack is my latest creation. I call it the McNuggets. Idiot! Why is it so genius? The back of it is designed to look like your average iPhone for one reason only. Take a McNugget from the McNuggets, dip in the sauce, eat like a boss. I just finished creating the ultimate banana hack. I call it the banana saver. This hack will blow your mind. I hate when my banana is not fresh for long. I hate the fact my banana is too big to fit in my pocket. I hate when my banana getting squashed in the bag. Using the greatest mind in the world and some magic and sorcery, I was able to invent the first of its kind banana saver. Strap on your banana saver on your weak hand so you have full control over your banana with your strong hand. Just by looking at the size of your banana, people will know you are not to be messed with. Walk around like the champion you are, worry-free, knowing your banana is safe and sound. When I buy Coke, I also want to be the first one to open it. That's why I created the Coke block. The Coke block. First of all, let me educate you about the 4 different flavors of Coke. Number 1, can. Metal. Number 2, plastic. Plastic. Number 3, glass. Original. Number 4, the old McDonald. Icy. Secondly, let me show you the best way to get passive aggressive with a Coke bottle. I invented the Ferrero No-Share 1000 lockbox.
Can't touch this.
If I buy Ferreros, they are saved for special occasions. Unwrapping one of them bad boys feels like unwrapping a birthday present. But the biggest problem is they come in transparent boxes, and too many people walk around with a sense of entitlement. Well, not in my goddamn house. I'm going to design the perfect Ferrero No-Share 1000 combination lockbox just to make a point. Ferrero put all their efforts in designing the perfect wrapper, and it looks amazing, so they keep the box transparent. That's why I turned the Ferrero No-Share boxes into the Ferrero No-Share boxes. What do you think, this is a car dealership and I'm buttering you up for the classic stitch up with some free chocolate? Get the hell out of here. Download my design for free now, and with a simple combination lock, keep them precious Ferrero safe from unworthy hands.